Hi everyone, it's Happymailqueen. Happy Tuesday to everybody. I thought I'd go ahead and share a video today because the kids are out. My husband is picking them up, so I have quiet and you won't hear any background noise. So perfect time to do a video. So I'm going to try to do as many videos as I can right now before the kids get home. So anyway, I got my order from Peachy, and I know I've shared this collection with you guys already because I did get some pieces from Frank Garcia's studio as well as scrapbook.com. But Peachy had a really great deal on it, and I didn't pick up this 6x8 size paper. And this has a lot of gold foiling in it, and it does have some papers that are different or you don't have in the 12 by 12. So here's the 12 by 12, and I'll kind of point it out to you in case, you know, you guys are wondering if you should get both or one or the other. Okay, so I'll go ahead and just do a quick flip through, and I don't have to speed this up this time because it's going to be a short video. And if I have time, I'll even share a little project that I created. So you have this paper right here, beautiful florals, and you do have that in the other stack, the 12 by 12. Then the beach scene right here is the same. This is also the same, as well as the fruits. This paper here, I want to say is different, I think. Okay, so in the big sheet, in the 12 by 12, you get the same pattern. This comes in pink though, in the 6 by 8. So as you can see, this one is a little more tealish blue. Then you have this one, which is the same. This one here, which is the same, and it's just gorgeous. One of my favorites. This one, I believe, is the same as well. This one here, I don't believe you even have this pattern in the 12 by 12. So, and it's a pretty blue background with gold foiling on it. This one's also in the 12 by 12, as well as this right here, another beach scene. This is a pretty one here too, which I believe is the same. Now this one here, you do have that same pattern in the 12 by 12, but it is not foiled. So let me just show you. It's this one right here. Same pattern. Of course, these are smaller scaled, but they're the exact same pattern, except for this one is foiled. And then I believe that is also in the same pattern, same on the 12 by 12, and that's the same. Love this one. That's also the same. This one here, I want to say this one is not foiled, but in the 12 by 12 it is foiled. It's this one here. So it's the exact same pattern except for the leaves, and the outline is foiled in the 12 by 12. And this is gorgeous here. Love that one. I think the rest, I want to say, are also included in the 12 by 12. So so happy I got this, because what I like to do with the smaller papers is if I have smaller projects like creating bows, because I love to make bows, and you know, the patterns are just smaller, that it shows on the bows that I would make. So that's why I like either getting a 6 by 6 or 12 by 6 by 8. And then I already showed you the ephemera, so I'll make sure I leave the link to the video where I shared the sunny days. The only other thing that I picked up, and I did show you this sticker pack, the only other thing that I did not pick up last time was this 8-sheet sticker. And this one right here in particular is clear. It almost feels kind of like vellum, but it is a sticker, and as you can see there, it is, you know, translucent. Then you have these right here, pretty, and I'm not sure if these are something that you would use for your planners. I'm not all of them, but some of them. So you have some labels here, and that's another reason why I got it, because I'm loving using labels and banners on my projects, as well as these cute little phrases and words. And then this I'm not sure what I would do with, but it's definitely for your planner, because look how tiny these things are. And then you have this one too, which is also, I believe, clear. Yes. It's almost like a vellum feel to it. I'm not sure if it is vellum or not. So that is the sunny days, and those are the only ones that I did not share with you guys the last time because I didn't have it. And again, this is from Peachy Cheap. I am loving their site right now because they really do have some amazing, amazing deals that you just cannot pass up. And so since this is a quick share, I thought I'd go ahead and just share a project that I did create. So I did post this on Instagram, but one of them I didn't. I was making these Maggie Holmes embellishments. As you guys know, I've been going to Tuesday morning recently, practically every week, I think, because I've had the opportunity to go, but I haven't been able to really find any of the Maggie Holmes ephemeras or embellishment packs that some of you guys have hauled. And you know, sometimes we like to make our own embellishments, and this one is almost exactly like the Gather embellishment pack. So yeah, I had some crepe paper, and one day I said, you know what, I'm gonna see if I can make it. So I found the pattern paper and I basically duped it. So I made a few of these, and you know, that way I can also gift them. So I'm gonna probably keep a couple and gift a couple. And so yeah, these were so much fun to make and super cute. And I just used some fishtail banner dies that I have, also a punch to punch this out. And I did share this on Instagram. And then here's the other one that I tried to dupe. It's not exactly like it, but it's pretty close. Again, I used a die to create the bow. And then this is a separate piece right here that I just kind of free-handed. The tails are, I did cut them. So they look pretty good, right? To the original. So anyway, don't fret if you don't find any embellishments. You could always make them with your papers. And yeah, so I'll probably be doing that with the sunny days as well. Just right now I want to work on Easter things and finish up. Not sure if I'm still going to do Valentine's. I'm starting to put my Valentine's stuff away, but I do still have some collections out, and I really need to do some cleaning. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you guys have a wonderful Tuesday. Stay tuned because I do have some hauls as well from Hobby Lobby, and also another Tuesday morning haul, just a small one. And I found a couple of Maggie Holmes stuff, but you know, no embellishments like I said. So anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.